Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about a very important word. The word is absence. Let's discover what it means together. So, what is absence? Absence is a simple word. It means not being there. When someone is absent, they are not in a place. They are somewhere else or missing. Let's look at a real-life example. Amy asks, "Where is Tom?" Bob answers, "Tom is absent today." This means Tom is not here right now. He is away. Now, let's go to school. The teacher asks, "Where is Sarah?" A student says, "Sarah is absent today." Sarah is not in class. She is missing from school. At work, the manager asks, "Why is John not here?" The assistant replies, "John is absent today." John is not at the office. He is away from work. Here is another example. Someone calls and asks, "Is Lisa home?" The person answers, "No, Lisa is absent now." Lisa is not at home at this moment. How does absence feel? When someone is absent, we notice they are missing. We might feel lonely or wonder where they are. Absence means someone we expect is not there. Absence happens in nature too. Look at this empty bird's nest. The bird is absent from the nest. It has flown away. The nest is empty without the bird. Now, let's enjoy a short story about absence. This story will help us understand the word better. Meet Tim and Mia. They are good friends who play together every day. One day, Tim goes to the playground. He waits for Mia on the bench. But Mia does not come. Tim says, "Where is Mia?" "She is absent." Tim feels confused. Tim sees another friend and asks, "Do you know where Mia is?" The friend answers, "Mia is absent today." Now Tim understands. Mia is not here today. Tim feels sad because Mia is absent. He misses playing with her. Absence makes us miss the people we care about. Tim hopes Mia will come back soon. The next day, Mia returns to the playground. She smiles and says, "I was away." "Sorry." Tim is happy and says, "Welcome back." Friends can be absent, but they come back. Let's remember the story. Absence means not here. When someone is absent, we miss them. But absence is temporary. People come back, and we feel happy again. Let's review some conversations. At home, we say, "He is absent." At school, we say, "She is absent." At work, we say, "They are absent." These are simple ways to use the word. Here are more examples. We can say, "Mom is absent." We can say, "Dad is absent." We can say, "Friend is absent." We can also say, "Teacher is absent." Absence can happen to anyone. What is the opposite of absence? The opposite is presence. Presence means being here. Absence means not here. When someone is present, they are with us. When absent, they are away. Absence can be for different times. Sometimes, absence is short. Someone is away for a few hours. Sometimes, absence is long. Someone is away for days or weeks. We see absence in everyday life. At home, someone is absent at dinner. At school, a student is absent from class. At work, an employee is absent from a meeting. On the phone, someone is absent to answer. How do we ask about absence? We can ask, "Is he absent today?" The answer is, yes, he is absent. This is a polite and simple way to talk about absence. Sometimes, we need to say sorry for being absent. We can say, "I am sorry. I was absent." This shows we care and understand that people noticed our absence. What do we do when someone is absent? We can wait for them. We can say, "She is absent," so we wait. We can also make new plans and meet them later. Let's see absence in a school story. Tom is absent because he is sick. The teacher tells the class, Tom cannot come today. He is absent. Everyone understands and wishes him well. Absence happens in family life too. At dinner, there is one empty seat. Someone asks, where is mom? The answer is, mom is absent. She is at the hospital. Family members can be absent too. Absence can happen during fun times. Kids are playing a game. One child is missing. Someone says, Anna is absent from the game. Even in play, we notice absence. How do we talk about absence? We can say, he is absent. We can say, she is not here. We can also say, they are away. All these phrases mean the same thing. Practice makes perfect. Try to use the word absence in your own sentences. Talk about times when you or someone else was absent. Practice helps you remember. Let's summarize what we learned. Absence means not being here. We use it at home, school, work, and in daily life. Absence can be short or long. It is a useful word. Quiz time. Here is a question for you. What does absence mean? Is it A, being here? Or B, not being here? Think carefully and choose your answer. Thank you for learning with us today. You now understand the word absence. Keep practicing and using it in your conversations. You are doing great. Don't forget to subscribe to Wordscience for more English lessons. We have many more words to explore together. See you in the next video. Goodbye and happy learning.